Jibby, come here. Jibby, come. Come here.
What is his tongue? What is this?
Why is the tongue still out? Wait, what? 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 Hi. Oh, hello. Oh, lickies. Lickies. He's like, what? Hi, Chibi. Are you ready to cook? You ready to cook? Hey guys, if you're a gamer like me, then you'll enjoy learning about an awesome dark fantasy RPG that's the sponsor for this video, Raid Shadow Legends. Let me tell you guys why you should check out this free RPG. Raid Shadow Legends have so many different characters for you to choose from, and you can upgrade and collect them to create your perfect team. They've got clan bosses where you can team up with your friends to take down strong enemies for rewards. Otherwise, you can just play through the campaign to gain XP playing for a story. And it's even cross-platform, so you can play on your way home from work or school, and continue on your computer when you get home. You can download the game in the links in the description box, and if you're a new player you can get 100k silver and a free champion, Hexweaver. Thanks once again to Raid Shadow Legends for sponsoring this video. You wanna cook? Oh, look at his head tilt. Jibby, you wanna cook? You wanna cook? You wanna cook? Hey, you wanna cook? Jibby cooking. We gotta cook. Jibby, we're cooking. So what the fuck are you talking about? Wanna cook, Jibby? You wanna cook? Oh. Oh. Hi. Hi, Snow. Oh, hi, Snow. What are you doing, Snow? Hi. Oh my god. Alright. Let's put you guys. Oh! Oh my god! Chat! Chat! Are you okay, chat? Chat, are you okay? I'm so sorry, chat. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Our chicken, our kale, sweet potatoes. I saw a bunch of this veggie as well. These veggies look good. Hello? Okay. Let's go make a cup. Okay. Putting the cup into the rice. About this much, I think. I think that's enough. And then I'm putting water. We're doing about 1 cup of rice. I think that's enough. Should be right. Then I'm putting that on cook. And then putting this bad boy on. Our cup collection. I have a bunch of cups, chat. These are all my cups. Look how cute these are. This one's a Kirby one. Oh, I need to cook. I need to do this. What is this called? This is called a sweet potato. I need to cut the sweet potato first. Getting some baking paper. Alright, we're all washing our hands. Okay, so first of all, with this one, we cut the ends of this. Okay. So the end of this, and then we half this. Okay, that was not meant to happen like that. Okay? It was meant to like go clean cut. It was meant to be a clean cut, okay? And also, I don't have a shaving thing because Jibby took it from the kitchen table and he killed it. He yoinked it and he freaking killed my freaking killer. My grandpa planted these, chat, and he grew this himself using a water system. The plants grew in like a water a tube thing, and the water ran through all the plants, and he grew this. He grew all this, chat. My grandpa grew all this. Didn't care, didn't ask, true. we're gonna taste it, and it's gonna taste good. We're gonna put some garlic with it, and add some salt, and it's gonna be tasty as fuck. Extra virgin olive oil. Oh, I cannot open that. Oh, okay. Oh, oh, okay, some fell. Okay. It's fine. So what you do, you separate the root, chat, with the leaves. If you separate the root, you cook the root first, so it cooks evenly, because the leaves cook faster. Oh shit, wait, I didn't even wash this. It should be fine, right? Shit. Fuck. Ah! Ow! 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 How do you do a Fortnite dance? Wait. Wait. Oh yeah, I can still wash it though. It should be fine. We're making 5 eggs, I think. I think that's a good idea, 5 eggs. We're making them scrambled though. Take a bite to make sure it's fresh. Oh, chat, we can put the veggies in. Wait, hold up. Oh! Ash! Ash! Okay, you can have that piece. You take it. Hold, chat. Now we add the kale. I just realized, like, we don't have any freezer space. We have, like, no freezer space. This is Jibby's meat, like, pet mints. And there's, like, meat pies. I can get rid of these. I can throw these ones out. Oh, wait, here, I'll show you. Hi. Hey, come here. There you go. That's his favorite. Hold, Chip. Oh. Oh, yes, sir. Look at that. What are those? This was paneer makhani, cottage cheese and spiced tomato puree. Mild. No preparation needed. 100% natural ingredients. Water, cottage cheese, dairy cream, tomato paste, garlic, cashew, butter, everything. Mmm. It actually tastes so good. Chibi, do you want your other ice ball? Stay. Good boy. Look at him. I got pumpkin, kale, greens, chicken, and egg, and rice. And it only took me an hour, I think. And there's Jibby. Hi, Jibby.
Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next one. Bye.